Recently, a 17-year-long legal battle came to an end in one of India's most high-profile terror cases, the 2008 Malegaon bomb blast. A special NIA court in Mumbai has acquitted all 7 accused, including former BJP MP Sadhvi Pragya Singh Thakur and Lieutenant Colonel Prasad Purohit, saying they were not guilty. Let's break it down for you. So what happened in 2008? On September 29, 2008, a low-intensity bomb fitted to a motorcycle exploded near Bhikku Chowk in Malegaon, Maharashtra. It was Ramzan and people were preparing for Navratri, so the area was crowded. The blast killed 6 people and injured over 100. It caused panic in the communally sensitive town. The investigation begins. The Maharashtra Anti-Terrorism Squad ATS took over the probe. They arrested people allegedly linked to Hindu right-wing groups, sparking debate around what came to be called Hindu terror. One of the key arrests, Sadhvi Pragya Thakur, whose motorcycle was allegedly used in the blast. Another major name, Lieutenant Colonel Prasad Purohit, an army officer accused of supplying explosives and being part of a group called Abhinav Bharat. Both denied any role in the blast and were later released on bail. Twist in the case. January 2009, ATS filed the first charge sheet. 2011, the case was handed over to the National Investigation Agency. 2016, NIA dropped the Makoka charges meant for organized crime but kept the UAPA terror charges. NIA also said the original ATS probe had flaws and that some accused were tortured to confess. The trial. In 2018, charges were formally framed against 7 accused: Sadhvi Pragya, Lieutenant Colonel Purohit, Major Retired Ramesh Upadhyay, Ajay Rahirkar, Sudhakar Dwivedi, Sudhakar Chaturvedi, and Sameer Kulkarni. Over the years, 323 prosecution witnesses and 8 defense witnesses testified. 40 plus witnesses turned hostile. They changed their statements. Over 10,800 documents and 400 items were submitted as evidence. Final arguments and verdict. April 2025. Final arguments ended. Prosecution submitted 1,300 plus pages of detailed points. April 19. Judgment was reserved. July 31, 2025. The special NIA court delivered its verdict. All 7 accused acquitted, as the court found no concrete evidence to prove their guilt. After nearly 2 decades, the Malegaon case ends with not guilty verdicts for all accused. A case that began with headlines of Hindu terror ends with serious questions over how the proof was handled. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments. Till then, keep watching India TV for all the latest updates.